Hey guys, so in this video I am going to tell you how you can work around this or putting this geometry node, any geometry node tree basically from one blend file to another blend file, so that you can use it across your other projects in separate blend files. So to do that, there are actually two methods. One is the asset library method, and the other is like simply appending the geometry node from one blend file to another. So let's see the asset library method first. So simply to do that, just go to the geometry node tab option here, and as you go into the geometry node tab, you are having this geometry node here, and just click this button here. This you can by the time you open this blend file, you may be getting something like this or whatever. Just right click this and mark this as asset. So this is now marked as an asset, and now what you need to do is, like, since this geometry node is now marked as an asset, you want to edit option and click on preferences, and then file paths. You can go to file paths, and in the asset library just add the location of this blend file. Wherever this blend file you downloaded, just enter that location here. So yeah, so this location is like in my, and you are done. So, and then just save the preferences. So now when I just open a new blend file, let's say I am opening a new blend file, and then I will go to geometry nodes and click new, and then I will just press shift A, and then I will be getting this unassigned option here. In the unassigned, you can find this mesh exploder, and yes, you can put this across your other files in this way. And in this, you can just simply go to the file options and click on append, and just locate the downloaded blend file in where the geometry tree is located. So I'm going to that blend file. So this is my blend file. Just double click this and click on this node tree and click this mesh exploder and append. So now you can just go to the geometry nodes and just add a new geometry node modifier, and just again go to this group, and you can find this in the group option, this mesh exploder, and you can just plug it in here. So if you want to add a new object, just let's say if I want this modifier to be affecting some another object, just let's say this torus, then just go into geometry nodes, click this new option, and then again just use this your mesh exploder node, whatever geometry node tree, maybe it is in unassigned bracket if you are importing from that asset library option, or if you are just using that append option, it is in the group option here, and just put this mesh exploder here, and if you can see the effect of this node tree on this object. So that's how you typically use different node trees or whatever, it may be material or meshes or anything across different blend files. So there are two methods. The asset library option is like more useful when you are using this node again, time and again, so many times in your project work. But if you are like just going to need only one or two times, then you can use the append option. So hope this video may help you out with, like, especially I have so many questions regarding this, how to use this geometry node tree which I purchased two different blend files. So yeah, this is the kind of procedure you can follow. Hope you might have liked the video. Consider subscribing, share this plugin or asset, whatever you call geometry node tree, with your colleagues or whatever, if they find this useful, and do review this product on Blender Market. Always there to help you. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye bye.